Ideal student. The student who learn his lesson regularly and avoid all those that stand against his way to study is called an ideal student. He also avoids politics and bad habits. An ideal student must be truthful and honest. He is obedient to his superiors. He should always speak the truth and never tell a lie. He should say his prayers 5 times a day. He must be ready to dedicate his life to the welfare of the country. He plays in the ground at the proper time. He is obedient to his parents and teachers. He prepares his life with a noble aim. Thank you.